So we needed to replace this little gas valve right here, but didn't want to shut off the whole house's gas. And this is the way to do it. You actually just take off the valve, and then you plug it up with your finger. A lot of people don't know that gas lines, typically for houses, don't even have 1 PSI of pressure. That's right, your car tire is like 30 to 40 PSI. Your water pressure in your house is like 50 to 70 PSI, but gas doesn't even have 1 PSI. And most homes don't even have a quarter of a PSI. Still, I don't recommend you guys try this in your home because gas can be very dangerous to work with, and even a little leak can cause a big problem.